another part 2 here. Nerf 4. I'll run out really quickly because I've got about 7 bullets in my gun. We've not changed guns. I like this gun. Wait, go! Here we go. It looks night time. Right. Oh, why is it not shooting? There. Should be shooting. Oh, you idiot. Hello. Where the hell is he gone? He's such an idiot. I've got you. Oh! Oh! That was a shot and a half. Right, so I'm going to get corroded up, lads. Oh! Get up! No! Never! You missed! That hit you! That hit you! You're not swapping guns, I'll tell you that. What happened to the screen? What's happened? The screen. Watch this, guys. Oh, I'm not even reloaded. Right there. And the bullet came out and I shot him. He should be dead. Oh! Luckily that hit the tablet though. It hit my... And he's with someone there. Oh no, a bullet came out. Still. Come on, reload. And we got no ammo. The gun's not shooting. Like the part 2 never goes well. Yeah, I want to go in as well. Yeah. We're gonna go upstairs. I'm still gonna go. I'll go upstairs. And I'll show you who I've packed in the recent videos. Yeah. Last game I got some bullets here.
I'll take the guns in and then you take the bullets in.
No, because I'm not. Wait. Oh. Oh. How am I meant to take all of them in?
Okay.
Yeah. I don't. Look, I've got to take all of them in. Like little worms. All of them. All of them. All of them. All of them. Look, they're all falling.
Ben, you've seen what stain you've made?
What?
On the carpet.
What? I've got one away, that's not one away.
It is.
It's not. Hello.
Why is there a tablet out there?